Hey guys, it's Anna. So I just wanted to show you, this is where I decided to plant my orchids I got in the mail. They're Adam and Eve orchids, or they're also known as putty orchids. They looked to be in pretty bad shape when I got them. They've been here for a couple days. But yeah, some of them didn't have leaves, some of them did, like those three did. But I just made like a little circle so I could remember where they were. But I planted them with the lilies of the valley that I have back here. Unfortunately, all the lilies are already done, but hopefully they'll become in sync or something when these guys do finally get set up. I have them in my backyard. There's like little ravine there that really doesn't do much until it rains, and it goes into a drain hole. And my house is way up there, but it's a nice little spot to have. Now that water is back down again, I'm gonna collect some more rocks. This is what I could get while I had a chance. I'm gonna pause the video and give you some more updates. So I'll be right back. This is some wild garlic that I have growing. You can use it for cooking and stuff. I don't really want to pull one out, but let's see if I can. Yeah, they're pretty stuck in there, but you know it's garlic because you break the... Oh, it definitely smells like garlic. I'm sure I could use it for a stir fry or something, but I've just been growing it. Like I said, it's wild garlic, so it kind of spans all around there. Anything that's like long. And we leave this natural because it really doesn't grow any grass. And then it finally comes up. But yeah, that's back where I was. That's where I have the putty orchids. So I'll pause this again, unless you guys want to really walk with me. I doubt it. But hold on. I just want to unpause it. I'm going to show you some ferns. Right now we're like halfway between the house and back where I was. My mom spent a very good deal amount of time growing these ferns. Some of them. The other ones have come up over there. They're pretty tall. They're looking good. I did plant, this is asparagus. I haven't trimmed it. I've just been too lazy. But I did plant purple asparagus, and it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but maybe that's just the first year, hopefully. I don't know. My mom planted this asparagus, but I wanted purple asparagus. I have some fennel that I've just kept in the ground. I love it. It's a very pretty flower, and I like to eat the seeds. Italians use them as breath mints, I guess. I'm Italian, so I just love it. But they're really pretty. Ladybugs love to sit on them when they grow like really big. They're still small, but they're really frawny looking and they're really pretty. You can use them for flower decoration, I'm sure. But yeah, that's the fennel and stuff. These are the ferns, and they wrap around all crazy. This is the main yard. Sandbox, I think we're gonna completely redo that this year. Triangle Garden's a mess. It's got a bunch of wild mint. This is wonderful. Last year we did plant a bunch of veggies, but this year we're kind of gonna not. I'm not really that worried about it. I did plant some garlic last year from the seeds of the wild garlic up front here. I have 2 blueberry bushes here, and yeah, I'm wondering if I should cut this. I don't know, but look at my blueberries. Well, look at, I didn't see these ones. I'm excited. This one I didn't think survived the winter. It's got one romaine branch. I was pretty sad, but it used to be a little bit bushier, but you're supposed to get 2 kinds of blueberry bushes to propagate them, but I don't know if that's the case. Like, these guys seem to be doing good. Bunch of other stuff. I have an old toilet that we had like a little scene last year. I had watercress and some parsley, but here's what I really care about. My golden raspberry. It fruited. It put like 2 little fruits out at the top, so I just picked those off. Some parsley and basil, and yeah, we're still in mess mode right now. We just got done with a couple, our wedding for my fiance's brother, but gotta live the backyard. One of the draws that I came back to live in my childhood home because of it. I have so many good memories, so. That's about all for the front yard. I'm going to pause this. I'll be right back. I think this is called, not celosia. There's something that it's called, my dad really loves it. It's purple and bugs love it. The bees love it. It'll flower later. These are peonies. There's like no purple this year, or magenta, but they smell really good. I don't know why that happened, but yeah, there's no real purple this year. Here's some more wild garlic. One thing with these, if you have them when they're in bud form, see ants crawl all over them, so you're not supposed to use pesticides because the ants actually help them. So maybe that's what happened to this one. The ant didn't help it because they get really sappy on their buds. So I don't know if anyone knows. Maybe these are the purple ones. Okay, swing back around. Still have my peppers here. I haven't done anything. But what I really wanted to show you was my orchid. I should probably water this. Yeah, it's a little. Oh, it's not. It's doing pretty good. It's the Ula Silken. So I have it back there at night. The chipmunks have any dirt on the patio, or not the patio, the walk there, the chipmunks dig it up. We actually had raccoons come through too, so those made me mad. But I had him down there, and they dug it up a little bit, and I was really scared because I did spend a good amount of money on this, and I didn't want to kill it. So it's pretty close. One thing I was really worried about was there's like that dot. I don't know if you can really see it. I think you can, but yeah, it's a little darker. I'm guessing maybe it's just the color, but that is darker. So it looks pretty perfectly square, so I'm guessing that it's just the bud forming. But that's about it. Thanks for walking with me through my backyard. Oh, these are the what are they? Starfruit seeds that I finally planted. I have a couple. These were in like a little 2-ounce cup that I got from work, sealed, and they were totally crowded for space. But maybe I'll show you the other guys. Hold on. These are the other starfruit seedlings, and the funny thing, I was going to show you this, but if you touch it, they move. Not as drastically as a sensitive plant, but I noticed it because they move up towards the light. So watch again. Look at that, ever so slightly, slowly moving. Ooh, shoot, don't do that. See, it droops slowly. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see. That guy, my no ID den that I've been killing slowly, is about to bloom. Pretty happy about that. This guy is about to bloom. It bloomed from the old pseudobulbs. So if you can see, I got my moss, my red moss is actually growing. You see it looks kind of alien-esque. It's growing, but it's green tipped. Which is okay. I'm not so happy about that. I thought it was gonna be red. My ghost orchid is actually growing a leaf. I don't know if that means it's gonna flower, but it should be watered right now too, so. I think I killed this mango tree. I forgot it. It was up in that very way corner of that. Blue bear. That's what the dish is. Blue bear. Little butt. Mine, Chi-Chi. So everyone's getting kind of antsy because I'm back inside. I should probably walk the dogs and feed the cats. Oh, thank you, Froggy. And this air plant's getting so close to blooming. I bought it, I thought it was going to bloom a while ago. But it's still getting there. Still getting there. They're very slow. Very slow. Nothing really else. Oops, sorry about the glare, guys. Everything's doing pretty much the same.